ተማር ልጄ ወገን ዘመድ የለኝ ሀብት የለኝም ከእጄ ስማኝ ልጄ ሌት ፀሐይ ነው ላልተማረ ሰው ግን ቀኑ ጨለማ ተማር ልጄ ወገን ዘመድ የለኝ ሀብት የለኝም ከእጄ ስማኝ ልጄ ሌት ፀሐይ ነው ላልተማረ ሰው ግን ቀኑ ጨለማ ነው።
The series, sequence is known as the recurrence relation. The recurrence recurrence formula is a formula which relates the first few terms of the sequence with the general terms of the sequence, or we get given a certain few terms of the sequence, we can generalize or list down or calculate the other terms of the given sequence. What we call this is the recurrence formula. Say for example, in the case of the recurrence formula or relations, we can say for example, given that A1 equals 2, and again here it is an equals, let's say, an minus 1 over 2. Now determine or find the first 3 or 4 terms of the sequence. The sequence, which means given a sequence which is inductively here the given A1 is 2, an is determined in the form say an minus 1 over 2, where n is set of natural numbers. So what will be the first 4 terms of the given sequence? Like that, in the given sequence, the first term, the second term, the third term, the fourth term, the fifth term, and extra, etc. From this part also, what is the first term is say 1 over 2, the second term is 2 over 3, the third term is 3 over 4, the fourth term is 4 over 5, and the fifth term is say 5 over extra, in such a way. Now, having this in your mind, in this part, in the recurrent formula, given the first term and what will be the other terms, the other 4 terms of the sequence for the time being. As a solution here, given the sequence A1 is equal to 2, and the second term is and again the formula is given an over, equals to n minus 1 over 2. So A2 is equals to, using these recurrent relations, an means here that an means an minus 1 over 2 as given as defined here. So that here from this information given A1, so A2 is equals to, if n is 2, so which is equals to A2 equals to A2 minus 1 over 2. Meaning is that here A2, so A2 minus 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, so A1 over 2. So when A1 is given here, which is 2, so that which equals to 2 over 2, can result is again 1, which means the second term is 1. Second term is A3 means A3 minus 1 over 2 as the formula is given, so which is equals to A2 over 2, because of 3 minus 1 is 2. A2 becomes 1, so which is equals to 1 over 2, so that the third term will give us 1 over 2. In that case 1 over 4 means A4 is equals to A4 minus 1 over 2. So this is equals to 4 minus 1 is A3, so A3 over 2, which is equals to A3 is given here, which is 1 over 2, so 1 over 2 over 2, which is exactly equals to 1 over 4. Since our problem is find the first 4 terms of the sequence, therefore hence from this problem, the first four terms of the sequence, sequence is given by simply say A1 is say 2, A2 is say 1, A3 is given here 1 over 2, and A4 is given here 1 over 4, and extra in such a way.